friends. I thought I'd take the time tonight to chat to you guys about some of the items that I purchased from Singapore. I thought it'd be really cool to do like a separate video with an unboxing of the items I bought and just to chat about my experience shopping in Singapore as well. Let me know if you'd like more of these videos or if there's anything that you'd like me to talk about in the future as well. So I'm currently filming this unboxing for you at our third hotel that we're staying at in Singapore, the Dusit Thani Laguna, which is more like a resort style hotel. Not sponsored obviously, just wanted to let you know where I am. Also, please forgive this no makeup face. We've been swimming all day and I think I'm a bit tired from just being on the go in Singapore since the 21st of April. So I think we're up to our 9th day here. It's been such an awesome trip, but a busy trip full of eating and shopping. I don't know if you saw my Instagram post prior to going to Singapore. I did have a small wish list of items that I wanted to purchase. One was the Hermès Constant Slim wallet and a matching belt. Another one was the Dior strap for my Dior bum bag. I also wanted a Bottega swimsuit and a Pleats Please dress. And as you can see, I actually got this Pleats Please dress the day before we left to go to Singapore. I purchased this in Perth at Dilettante. And so that was like quickly off my shopping list and I didn't really have to worry much about going to many Pleats Please stores. However, I can say that I went to two Pleats Please stores, one at Marina Bay Sands and another at Takashimaya. And I mean, they had a lot of stock, but they just didn't have what I was looking for. I was looking specifically for either another khaki dress, like a khaki green, or I was looking for just a matching shirt and pants set, sort of in a wider leg pant, and they just had sort of tighter crop leg pants. I'll definitely share with you guys when I buy more items from Pleats Please, because I know we have a lot of Pleats Please fans out there. So I'm just going to do the unboxing first with you guys and then maybe chat about why I didn't get some of the items on my wish list. So let's start with the beautiful green Bottega bag. Now, this item was on my wish list and it was the very last one in store. I went to the Marina Bay Sands store and was helped by a very friendly and very awesome sales associate. If you guys need his name, if you're ever visiting Singapore, just DM me or send me a message. So what I got from Bottega is the one-shouldered swimming costume that I really wanted. Do people even call it swimming costumes anymore? No. Okay, the one-shouldered swimsuit that I really wanted in the crinkled material. So let me get it open for you guys. So I'm gonna be real. I already wore this once yesterday to the Prada event. So I'm just doing this for show, but to show you what I saw when I opened it as well. So it comes in this Bottega paper bag and it was sealed and I opened it. And in here, the swimsuit comes in its own matching little bag, which I think is so cute. Now, as you may see, this is that really cool crinkled material. Now, I know that other brands do this as well. There's just something about the Bottega one that really spoke to me in the quality of it and the fact that it was like fuller coverage on the bottom. I personally prefer fuller coverage on the bottom because I'm not about that life of almost having a wedgie. That's just my personal opinion. I really do like how some high-cut swimsuits look on some women's bodies, and I really admire that they have those bodies. But for my body, I've noticed fuller cut briefs, fuller cut bottoms suit better. This side looks to be the shoulder. It is crossed on the right side. I'll insert a photo on the model of what it looks like. Inside of it just has a really cool like Bottega sort of little tag, and it comes just with the cards and other stuff tags. Wonder what else is in here. Another book. I guess this is like a care book. Anyway, whatever the case is, I am so glad that I bought this. I've already styled this with a pair of Pleats Please pants, of course, Pleats Please. A pair of Pleats Please grey pants, and I wore that to the Prada event that I attended in Singapore. And I plan to style this with many more pants and skirts, as well as swim in it. So I'm probably going to swim in it tomorrow at the pool. This means that 2 out of my 4 wishlist items had already been purchased on day 1, which I was like, yes, I felt so happy. I felt like I got this. I'm going to get all my other ones as well. Next, I am going to unbox my second item, which I got. Now, it was really weird during this trip that I really went hard on the ready to wear. I'm not usually a ready to wear purchaser or buyer at the store. I do collect pieces secondhand, but I thought, you know what? Being at the store gives me an opportunity to try things on, to see if they really fit well, and if I really like something, I should buy it. So that's how I felt about my next item, which is a Loewe pair of pants. I know what some of you who know me are gonna say. You're probably gonna say, seriously, May? Another pair of green khaki baggy pants? I can't help myself. I love green khaki baggy pants. That's just who I am. I've already got an ambush pair, and I wear a second pair that I recently got from my friend Simon, which is his old Uniqlo pair that is ripped and fixed and crazy, but I love that and I wear it as well. Maybe this could be my last pair of green khaki baggy pants, but don't hold me to that, because really, who knows? So this was actually from the men's section of Loewe. I hope you can get all of this, because this is my first unboxing ever. This is the pant here. As you can see, it comes with a free, like this canvas clip belt. To be honest, I'm probably going to remove it. I probably won't wear this at all like this unless I'm going hiking. In fact, if I'm going hiking, I'm not going to be wearing my Loewe pants. Anyway, so it comes with that belt. It has a really cool gather sort of feature here where it can be pulled tighter to give this really, really cool, like cinched look just under the knee, which I thought was a really, really nice design feature of this. Also, the sales assistant told me that I could, tighten these pants as well if I wanted to have a more cinched around the ankle look, which to me makes these pants quite versatile, and I can wear them in different ways. The way I will wear them is my normal way probably, which is like crop top and just the baggy pants. We have here the Loewe little logo. We have a little Loewe envelope. I think they have spare buttons in them. Yeah, they have spare buttons in them. I mean, I also really like this massive pocket here that's super cargo style. And there's a pocket at the back. And I really love this little Loewe tag. I'm such a sucker for branding, aren't I? I just love what I love. The sales assistant said that this is the smallest men's size, but it's a 44. I don't know what size that is. I don't think it's a French size. It could be an Italian 44. Either way, it is the smallest men's size. And I just saw this patch inside. I just have to share it with you on the pocket. Whew. This is so beautiful. I feel like these pants are going to be pants that I'll have forever, and I'll probably never get rid of them because they're just so special. They were the last ones in store as well. That wasn't the reason why I bought them. Once I put them on, I just felt like I'm in love with these and I have to get them. So I got them. That was an unexpected purchase, but I can't wait to rock them in Perth, you know, in winter with my big Balenciaga like hoodie, real tomboy style. Also with like maybe a long sleeve asymmetrical bodysuit. That'll be dope as well. I would like to try this also with maybe like a white crop tee. That'll be nice too. Anyway, really love them. She also threw in a free magazine which has some really cool stickers. I love free stuff. And now last but not least are my items that I purchased from Balenciaga. Yes, I said items. Before I went to Balenciaga, I actually walked into the Prada store and I tried a few items on, but for the price that they were asking and the way those clothes made me feel, I didn't think I would get my cost per wear with those items. I don't know if you feel the same way, but I just know when I like something and I just know when I love something. Some of the items in Prada were amazing, but I just didn't love them. When I went to Balenciaga, however, number one, I saw a couple of pairs of slides and I tried a bunch of pairs on, and the slides that I bought were the ones that I had my eye on for a while and I just copped them. It was an easy cop. The second item, however, I wasn't planning to get. In fact, I was looking for a brighter version of it, which they didn't have, but I could not say no because when I put it on, I just fell in love with it. So I bought a white Balenciaga shirt. It is so beautiful. I mean, to me, I just saw it on a hanger. It was oversized. It had that typical Balenciaga low neck that I like so much, where the collar actually hangs lower than your neck. Also, it has two tails at the bottom of the back of the shirt that you can tie and tuck the bottom of the shirt into, or you can tie it in front and cinch the waist. There's so many ways of wearing this shirt. As Mike always says, oh, convertible, yeah, she's gonna get it. Because if I can buy one thing and I can wear it many ways, then I'm getting my value for money. So this is what it looks like, and I haven't worn this yet. As I said, it has that really, really typical Balenciaga neckline at the back. I just think it's such a small detail, but it's such an interesting detail that elevates your outfit to sort of being more fashionable. Also, the arms, as you can see, it looks like a short sleeve shirt, but when you wear it, it comes down full length past my wrist actually. It has a really small Balenciaga embroidery branding on the pocket, and the magic of this shirt is these coat coattails, which on its own, they look like a coattail jacket shirt, which I thought was really cool. Zhuzhed up, tied up all together. You can tie it in a bow at the back, tuck it in. There's many ways that you can wear this shirt. If I can find some pictures, I'll insert them right here. So this here was something that I put on and I just fell in love with. You'll see me wear this forever and many times. The shirt is made out of poplin, which I actually didn't know what that was. It's just cotton, but it's a harder wearing cotton. So I will be styling this along with like jeans. My Margiela jeans will go well with it. Maybe I'll do like a how I style my Balenciaga shirt reel or video for you guys. If that's something you want, please let me know in the comments below as well. Lastly, I bought a pair of Balenciaga pool slides, as I said before. I have the black pool slides already that Mike bought for me in 2019, and I've been wearing them quite a lot. They are, I think, too tight for me, as in they're true to size to my foot, but in that style of slide, I should have got something bigger. So I didn't make that mistake this time, and I got a pair of slides that are about 1.5 sizes bigger than my usual size. Let me show them to you. So they come in this Balenciaga shoebox, and wow, they come in single-sided shoe bags. I'll just show you one. This is what they look like. Very plain and simple. This time I got white because I have black already, and I just thought it'd be nice to get white, something different, as I'll be wearing them mostly in summer. Mike asked me, like, where do you wear your pool slides? And I said, oh, to Woolworths, to the shopping centre. I lie, I wear them everywhere. I like to wear them with socks as well, and I'm going to be doing that when I get back to Perth. So that's what they look like. I might just unbox the other side just to let you guys see what they look like as a pair. This is them. Cute, right? I wear slides with everything anyway, so I'll be wearing these with everything. Track pants and socks, maybe for winter. Shorts in summer. They're made of rubber, so they're quite easy to clean. I'm going to try my best to keep them super clean, but you know, shoes are meant to be worn. You'll probably find marks on them if you ever see them on me, but they're lovely. I love them a lot, and I'm glad I got a bigger size this time. So just to continue my story, there were 2 items left on my wish list that I didn't get. One of them was the Hermès Constant Slim wallet and matching belt. Now this wallet is super cute. I'll insert a picture over here. It comes with a zippable, also sort of separate wallet in it for coins, and you could wear it on a belt across your body or as a belt bag as well. And I think the versatility of that spoke to me. I know it is hard to get Hermes popular items in the first place. I even tried calling the Melbourne store and the Sydney store, who I've bought things from before. They said I had to come in store, and I was like, I'm from Perth, borders are closed. So maybe if I go back to the Melbourne and Sydney store, I'll be able to meet a sales assistant in person who may be able to help me. So this is not totally off the list, but I went to the Marina Bay Sands store, you know, hours after we landed, just to make sure that I can express my interest in the item. And if it comes days after my arrival, I'll still be here. However, the moment I opened my mouth and asked for a Constant Slim, I got shut down. All I heard was, this is a popular item, we don't have any. So I was pretty disappointed, but I thought, let me just enjoy the experience of being in an Hermes store. I went up, I looked at the ready to wear because I was looking for a white shirt. I looked at some of their display bags. I was really excited about being in there. I would have to say that the sales assistant was just sort of uninterested. Granted, it was like half an hour before they're meant to close, and it was very late. I think it was 9:30 at night. I just didn't feel the connection, and that's okay. Sometimes you connect with your sales assistants and sometimes you don't. They're just normal people, and it's just a person connecting with a person. So I thought to myself, okay, maybe I can contact a friend of my Bottega sales assistant who works at Hermes. So my Bottega sales assistant was kind enough to pass me their contact details. I messaged them and said that I wanted the piece that I wanted, and I got a very friendly message back. He was lovely, that sales assistant, but he was very clear that this item was unavailable. I thought to myself, doesn't matter. One day I will go into a store in Melbourne or Sydney or Paris, and maybe that item will be available to me. I'm not going to play the Hermes game, which some of you may know and some of you may not know, is to buy small items and collect them till somehow you have a purchase history to purchase popular items. Now I have a purchase history at Hermes. I can show you some of my items in a separate video anyway that I've purchased through the years. If you want that, let me know in the comments below. But I just didn't feel like I wanted to go through that during my first trip back to Singapore. So right quick, I switched up my attitude and I was like, you know what? This is not the right time for me to get this. Let me enjoy shopping with that allocated budget somewhere else. Hence this. And lastly, the other item I wanted is the Dior thick strap that goes around my bum bag that I already own. I'll insert a picture here. I went to the Dior store at Ion Orchard. The gentleman there showed me one strap and I asked if there were more, and he alluded like that was all the stock that they had. And I know because I go on the website quite often that they had different types of straps. So I also felt that maybe he didn't really want to continue, serving me, or, nothing personal, but I think he was just sort of over it. I don't know if this is the kind of customer service you guys get when you go to different luxury stores. Let me know, because I'd like to know. As I said before, I don't take this personally, but it didn't make me want to spend my money there. However, not to say that I won't go to Melbourne or Sydney and go into a store and buy the actual strap that I wanted, or maybe I'll just buy it online. Either way, no negative feelings. I'm super positive about the experiences I've had shopping in Singapore the way that I have. I'm very grateful, and I know that I come from a place of privilege to be able to work and earn the money I do so that I can enjoy the things that I like. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my first ever unboxing. I hope to do many more unboxings and share them with you. So for now, bye from friends. I'll see you later.